Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to reset password in Binance. Let's begin. So, passwords are very important in our Binance account, obviously, because this is where your money is. So please make sure that, your passwords are super unique and only you can remember. So how to do that? So given that you've already logged into your Binance, and you can do this also on Binance app on your smartphones or via Binance.com in desktop. So you can go here, given that you've already logged in and answered all authentication, and then you choose security. And then it will lead you to this page, and it will show you information relating to security. So for you to change your password, this one right here after advanced security, and then just hit on change, and then it will lead you to another page, and then it will give you change password. Please take note, guys, that when you do change your password in Binance, so either in Binance.com in desktops or in Binance app in your smartphones, you cannot do P2P selling as well as any other payment services, because it will be disabled for the next 24 hours, just to make sure that your account is protected and secured. So once you're here, just put whatever password that you have, and then just put your new password and then confirm password and confirm. Well, it's typical, just like how change passwords in most of your email accounts are done. But please make sure that when you change your password, you use a really good unique alphanumeric combination, just to make sure that your account is safe. Just be careful from the scammers and hackers. Make sure that you always protect your Binance account. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like. Goodbye.